Good morning, students. I am Kisan. Today we'll do exercise 1.2. For exercise 1.2, we'll revise. We will revise three questions. Question 1, question 2, and question 5. For unit test 1, for unit test 1, you have to do these three questions. Okay, but let's first learn some basics. What is international system of numeration? In international system of numeration, there is ones, there is tens, there is hundreds, there is thousands. But after 10,000, there is no lakh. There is 100,000. Okay. So in international system of numeration, comma is placed after every three digits. Here we will not place comma. Here we will not place comma. Comma is placed after every three digits, and they are read together. These three digits are read together, and here these three places are read together. So suppose I have one number, and that is 526803. How can we read such a large number? To read such a large number, we have to place it in place value chart. In previous class, I have already discussed with you what is place value chart. It is what? It is place value chart. So we'll first place this number in place value chart. Here 9 will be here, 0 will be here, then 8 will be here, 9 will be here, 0 will be here, 8 will be here, and 6 will be here, 2 will be here, and 5 will be here. So can you read it? It is 526. 526 what? 526,000. Then it is 809. 809. Here 526,809. And how to write it in expanded form? I have already discussed with you in previous class. To write in expanded form, we have to add the place value of all the digits. So here place value of 9 is 9, place value of 0 is 0, place value of 8 is what? 800. Here we will write place value of 6 is 6,000, place value of 2 is 20,000, and place value of 5 is what? 5,000. It becomes in expanded form. After adding all the place value of digits, it becomes in expanded form. So let's go to our exercise. As I have already said, we'll do three questions from this exercise: 1, 2, and 5. So let's discuss it one by one. What the first question is saying is place commas in the given numbers according to international system of numeration. Also write the numbers in words. You can directly give the answer. You can directly place comma after extreme three digit. Then you can write the answer like 457,872. But if you have problem, if you are not able to give the answer, then what you need to do is you need to make a place value chart. You need to make a place value chart. Here ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, and then 100,000. Then what you need to do is you need to place it in place value chart here. What is our number? 457872. We will place from last digit 2, 7, 8, 7, 5, 4. Now here it is in hundredth place, so you will read 457,872. You have to write in words also. Okay. Then next question is B. 354678. Okay, so we'll again place this number from last side. 8, 7, 6, 4, and 5, 5. So what is our number? 554. What? This is period. Read together. 554,678. Okay. I hope you are able to solve this question. I hope you are able to solve this next questions. Then we'll solve second question. Second is saying write the following numbers in expanded form according to the International System of Numeration. Okay, so how we will do that? To write in expanded form, you have to add the place value of all the digits. Okay, so what is place value of 7? 7 after 7, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 digits, so there will be 5 zeros. There will be 5 zeros here. It is 700,000. Then what is place value of 6? It is 60,000. Okay, it is 60,000. What is place value of 5? Okay, there is no space here. I am writing it here. Place value of 5 is 5,000. What is place value of 4? It is 400. What is place value of 2? Place value of 2 is 20, and then 3. So this is our expanded form. This is our expanded form. I hope you are able to solve the next 3 questions. If you have any doubt, ask me in my WhatsApp number. You can also ask me in YouTube. Okay, and then our last question is fifth. What we have to do in fifth question? We have to write each of these numbers in figures according to International System of Numeration. How we will write it in figures? We need to make a place value chart. Okay, so let's make it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, So what is in word form? 800. 856,000. 800, how many thousand? 56,000. And 456. Now you can place comma after 3 digits here, comma. Mm. Then last question, fifth b. I will discuss last question with you, that is fifth b. Then you have to solve the other questions. Okay, so 600,000. Okay, it is talking about thousand. How many? 600,000. And 1. Okay, there is 600,000. 600,000 and 1. Just 1. So there is no 100, no tens place here. This is our answer. This is our answer. 600,001. This is our answer. I hope you are able to solve C and D. If you have any problem, ask me. Thank you.